That morning, I wasn't trying to break the rules. I was just enjoying the drive. But one small mistake turned into a lesson I'll never forget. In this video, you'll learn real English from a real situation. We'll practice daily expressions, polite conversation, and natural storytelling English. Let's begin. This is a true story. It happened on my way to work. Today, you'll learn English through my experience. It was a normal morning. I woke up a little tired, but the air felt fresh. I brewed some coffee, packed my bag, and grabbed my car keys. Nothing special, just another weekday, or at least that's what I thought. Let's pause for a moment. When I say it was a normal morning, I mean nothing unusual happened. And just another weekday means a regular workday, not the weekend. Normal morning equals nothing special. Weekday equals Monday to Friday. What a beautiful day. No traffic, good music, perfect. Hey, Mark, good morning.
Hey, good morning. Are you on your way to work?
Yeah, just left home. The road's clear today. I might even get there early. I felt relaxed, maybe too relaxed. Good music, empty road. I didn't notice my foot pressing harder on the gas. When people say no traffic, they mean the road is empty or clear. This is very common, natural English. No traffic equals cars are moving easily. Also, just left home means I left a short time ago. And get there early means arrive before the expected time. Just left home equals I left a short time ago. Get there early equals arrive early. Wait, is that for me?
Hey, what happened?
A police car is behind me. Lights on. I think I was speeding. When something unexpected happens, native speakers often say, "Is that for me?" Is that for me equals, did I do something wrong? Speeding means driving faster than the speed limit.
Good morning. Do you know why I pulled you over?
I might have been driving a little too fast.
You were going 45 in a 30 zone.
Oh, I'm really sorry, officer. I didn't notice my speed. I might have been equals a polite, unsure way to answer. I didn't notice equals I was not aware. Pulled over equals stopped by police. Zone equals an area with a speed limit.
May I see your driver's license and registration, please?
Yes, of course. Just a moment.
I'm going to issue you a speeding ticket today.
Okay, I understand.
Please drive safely.
When the officer says, "May I see your license?" this is a polite and formal request. When I reply, "Just a moment," it means I need a short amount of time. After the officer explains what will happen, I say, "I understand." This shows that I heard the information and accepted it.
How are you feeling?
At first, I was annoyed, but honestly, I think I needed the reminder to drive safely. Annoyed means a little angry, a little frustrated. That ticket really hurt. It hurt my wallet doesn't mean physical pain. It means I lost money. Sometimes life teaches us lessons slowly. And sometimes it teaches us with flashing red and blue lights. Drive safe, learn English slowly, and enjoy the ride.